Yeah, only chillin' with my ducks and my quacks.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tyrone, and today I had to take you guys along with me because I'm sure you guys seen the title already. New car, new girl, new life. You guys seen it already, so I'm like, yo, I have to take you guys along. So right now I'm just getting ready, and I'm going to a J. Cole concert, and I'm gonna meet up that new girl, and after that we'll see how it goes. But like I said, stay tuned for this vlog. This vlog's gonna be different. We're going to a J. Cole concert, and I'm like, guys, I have to take you guys along, because if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be here. I would be in the club sipping on some Hennessy with my shirt off. So stay tuned for this vlog, and I'll see you guys at the J. Cole concert, and stay shredded as a motherfucker. Stay shredded. Okay guys, so pretty much, yeah, it's your boy Tyrone. What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tyrone. And right now, I'm just at J. Cole's concert. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys parties back to back. So anyways, like I said, right now, I'm just at J. Cole's concert. So I'm going to show you guys that. And then maybe after that, I'll show you how short the motherfuckers party. Alright. Okay guys, so anyway, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for this J. Cole concert. And like I said, this is a different vlog. I'm showing you around different parties and shit. Like I said, back to back. That's how short the motherfuckers do. So anyway, stay tuned for this vlog. And I hope you guys like it. Stay short as a motherfucker. Peace.
For those who don't know, ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of J. Cole, Cold Fucking World. Thank you for coming out to the For Your Eyes Only tour. We're gonna set this shit off like this tonight. I need everybody in this motherfucker, everybody in here to do like this. Everybody do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you're holding it. Hey, put your fingers in the sky. Hey, put a finger in it. Hey, put your fingers in it. Say what? Hey, put a finger in the sky if you're holding it. Hey, put your fingers in the sky if you're holding it. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you're holding it. Hey, put your fingers in the sky. Sometimes you worry about the things that could be bad for you. Whenever you're around, I see them come and die for you. I finally recognize the feelings that's inside for you. Although I know the man that trusts me, he would die for you. These quiet thoughts that you were going on for years now. I saw you in the party, soft lips, soft spoken. I came and told you you were homie interfered now. He introduced you as his girl and I were heartbroken. So people talk about that love at first sight shit. They keep it real, I don't know whether I believe it's true. But if it isn't, tell me if I'm wrong or right this. I fell in love with you before I ever even. She think I'm smart cause I'm rich and I can have any bitch. I got the pencil and said, nah, I was just say it out. Then I thought back to a better thing. Before I was a B-list celebrity, before I started better bitches, bitches so heavenly. Like you could get a platinum pair without no melody, then you run straight. One time for my LA sisters. One time for lady niggas can't change. One time for a nigga who don't say her. Don't say her. Don't say her. Shall I be saying don't say her? Listen, I want a real love. Dark skin in it. That's in it real love. They leave it too close. Hey, niggas can't tell the difference. One time for a nigga who don't say her. Don't say her. Don't say her. Shall I be saying don't say her? Listen, no role model. Thought I made it, bitch, not trigger, but I said I got it, bitch, and make it call you girl over to. Sorry, I'm never wanna be say, don't say her. She don't wanna be, don't say her. She don't wanna be say, don't say her. She don't wanna be say. Look at this shit. Look at who the fuck is the gun for? Now watch, he's about to bust into the house and count them up. Boom, boom, boom. We're in. Look at this shit. This is just the front. Now watch the back. There ain't no black people that had cameras. Look at this nigga. He think he busting into a drug room right now. Got him. No, nigga, it's the fucking outside, you idiot. Now look, this is the dirty shit. That's my pool stick. This is when they find out black people got cameras too. Watch what they do. Dirty motherfucker. This shit is crazy. You call it running, I call it escaping. Start a new life in a foreign location. Similar to my niggas ducking cases. Can't take the possible time that. How long can I survive with it? Let up! Let up! Don't die! How long can I survive with it? That's the level! That's the level! Nigga play me never. Give up my chain never. Give up my pride never. Show my pain never. Tell them my name never. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. Nigga play me never. Give up my chain never. Give up my pride never. Show my pain. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. Tell them my name. How long can I survive with it? Don't die. Don't die. Last one, I need to feel y'all. How long can I survive with it? Let up. Yes. What's up in the middle? We see y'all in the fucking middle. What's up, middle? You know we see the fucking bottom, man. What's up at the bottom? Toronto.
Okay guys, so this is the car, BMW 3 Series, very fast car. I like it though. I like it a lot because it's a fast car and I've been driving it a lot. It's very fast, by the way. And I know a lot of people are gonna say it's dirty. Yeah, I know it's dirty because I've been driving it a lot, by the way. It's a crazy car. Just to let you guys know. And by the way, yeah, that's my other phone on the car. So yeah, like I said, guys, that's it. Yeah, that's my new car anyways. But anyways, so I'm gonna go in the car and talk to you guys about how did that date go on. Okay guys, so like the date was cool and all that, but it's just the vibe. The vibe wasn't there. I wasn't feeling the vibe well. You feel what I'm saying? But she's a cool girl and all that, by the way. She's a cool girl and all that, but it's just the vibe wasn't there, so I don't know. Guys, that's all I can say about her. She's a cool girl. It is what it is. I wish her the best, okay? But ladies, still holla at me when you see me in the club, okay? Because I'm shredded as a motherfucker. Anyways, stay tuned for more vlogs. Like I said, I'm going to be doing more vlogs like this. So just comment below and let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs like this. It's getting hot, by the way. So anyways, it's your boy Tyrone. And don't forget to like my shit. Buy my shit. Comment and subscribe. And holla at your boy when you see me in the club. and I'm shredded as a motherfucker. Like I said, guys, I'm here for y'all. Follow me on Snapchat and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Tyrone_E6, TYRNE_ESIX. And stay tuned for more vlogs, like I said, because if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be here. I would be in the club sipping on some Hennessy. So now I'm getting a little personal, so you guys can see my life a bit and see what I normally do. Okay, guys? But like I said, stay tuned for more vlogs. And all my hats and all my tank tops are out. So I want you guys to check that out. And the website is www.fitnessaddictshred.com. www.fitnessaddictshred.com. And stay shredded as a motherfucker. And let me know whatever type of vlogs you guys want to see next. Let me know. Comment below. Let me know. But stay shredded as a motherfucker. Stay tuned, guys.